How to add card in Amazon app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on this one icon. With that you will land to this kind of page. Over here you can find different options. Click on the option of your account. Now scroll down. Here you're gonna find different sections. Under payments, you can find the option of your payments. Open this option. Now click on this option of add a payment method. Now over here you're gonna find tons of options. You can use these options to add a card. You are able to choose any of these options. You can choose the one that is convenient for you. For now, I'm gonna choose this one, add a credit or debit card. After you select it, you have to provide the details of your card and click on the option of add and continue. And with that your card will be added in Amazon account. So this is how you can easily add card on Amazon account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.